All right, we are here at the Dollar Tree, just making a quick stop. Always try to stop by the Dollar Tree every once in a while just to see if they have anything worthwhile. Now, I never find anything, well, I rarely find anything that makes huge profits, but sometimes you find some stuff that's quick to sell and make a little bit of extra cash, and you can throw it in a box like a shipment that you're already sending into Amazon anyway. So just gonna spend a couple minutes here and share with you all what we find, if anything, and maybe get some tips and tricks along the way. So we're basically checking for name brand things that you recognize, like Always is a name brand, right? Some of these other things here, like Chap Ice, that's not really something I would check out because what is Chap Ice? But this, Yardley, this is a name brand. These are going to be $1.25 because the Dollar Tree is now the $1.25 tree, selling for $7. And you're not going to make anything if you don't enroll them in small and light. If you put them in small and light, you're going to make about $1 off of them. So that's like a 96% return. That's actually pretty good. It says these sell about 21 a month, so they're not super fast sellers, but they don't expire. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 24 right here. So this would be like $24 profit, right? And figure like within 20 miles of me, I probably have 8 or 9 Dollar Trees. So if you get, $25 right here, 24 or whatever, and you go to 4 of them, that's $100. Send them in. You got to wait for it to come back, just like with everything else. But that's an idea of some of the things that you can get. Small and light is going away. It is July 2023. Small and light is going away next month. And as a matter of fact, you can't even enroll it in small and light right now. So you'd have to redo the math. They're changing it to where it's like $10 and unders and automatic. They just changed the fees on that. So you would take, you get about 70 cents is what you save on it. So if you do the math, you would still make about 92 cents on those. So roughly about the same on light little items like that. Here's another name brand item. This could actually be replenishable. Keep a graph on this, looks really good. This is held a $7.99 price for a long time. They're $1.25. Right now, you're going to be making about 70 cents on them. But in August, when the new fees kick in, you're gonna probably be making like $1.40. So that's actually really good. These would be super easy to prep. They don't have stickers on them. You just put your label on there, and you're making like $1, $1.40. Even if you're just selling these for what it is right now and getting 70 cents back. Look at all these back here, right? I don't know how many you got back there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I don't know. We'll just say 20. So 20. And then you do the math. If you take that times 70 cents, that's what, $14? So like $14 right there. Nice, easy, quick, super light. And like I said, you could go around to all the different Dollar Generals in your area and scoop them up. Okay, so scratch everything I just said. This is a good example of why you need to pay attention. I'm going to leave this in the footage, in the video rather, just so you can learn here. This is for a pack of 2. If you look at the listing again, it's for a 2-pack, so you're not making anything on those. So that's a bad one. You always got to watch out and make sure you check to see if it's a multi-pack or not. Don't see anything good in the makeup, but every once in a while you'll find some like NYX or some other like pretty good name brand that you can check out. Typically they just have a lot of LA colors that aren't really worth much. Here's a good double up. I'll probably actually get these. These sell quite a bit a month, and they're $1.25 each here, and you're gonna double your money plus some, right? So it looks like I'm gonna be making about $1.60 to $1.80 on these, and that's just before the lower fees come in. So be making even more once that small and light goes away, and you can do the under $10 fees are different, right? So probably looking at realistically like spending $1.25. Whoops, I'm gonna pick that one up. Spending $1.25 and making maybe 2 back. So that's actually really good. I think I'm gonna get them. So I'm gonna get 20 of them just because I've never sold this brand before. Doesn't say anything about an IP complaint or anything like that, but if they sell, then this could be a replen for sure. The price is held. It's even been $12 a couple of times. So figure we'll just say, spend 20, make 20. We'll just round it at that, but probably realistically a little bit more. And if you got 5 Dollar Trees around you, you can just go, get 20 at each one, and then you're that's how you're going to do your volume with the small profits and be making money on Amazon. We're going to check out the toys. Believe it or not, they actually have some pretty decent name brand toys. See a lot of Barbie and like Transformers and just some different things sometimes. But a lot of the stuff, you know, is not really anything. But like here, they got these little Peppa Pig guys, right? So, I mean, they got some things they got some potential. One of the other cool things, if you get stuck in a spot where you need like just a quick poly bag or something like that, they sell those here too. Tape, so packing supplies, right? Can be pretty cheap. I wouldn't buy it like in bulk like that from here. You're better off getting it from an actual like vendor or Amazon or something. But if you run out of tape, you know, $1.25. You run out of poly mailer, $1.25. Pretty easy to have that as a backup in case you just need an extra. A lot of Dollar Trees will also have like DVDs and videos. Now the thing about this is that 9 times out of 10, okay, this one's perfect, you can scan that, but 9 times out of 10 they're gonna have, well, look at that, making a liar out of me. No, they're not. A lot of times they're gonna have their own code that it's not gonna scan over, so you have to take a picture of the front of it or type it in. So it can be sort of time consuming, but there can be some good money there. Dog food, a lot of people don't think about this, but pet food actually can have some pretty avid followers. Certain kinds of dog food, certain kinds of cat food, so you always want to check that out as well. For example, I found these Alpo T-bones, barbecue pork, and you can't scan the barcode. You have to actually take a screenshot of it with the Amazon app or type it in. But in a 5-pack, they're selling for like 20 bucks. Now it says they're selling about 400 a month. There's no FBA sellers, all FBM, which is good because these expire in October. So they're too late to send in FBA anyway. But these are gonna pretty much double our money. So we're gonna spend like $6.25 and we're gonna probably make $6-7 on them, $8 maybe, depending on how much it is to ship and where they ship to. If you could send them into FBA, they'd be maybe $3 or $4, but super fast sellers. So we're probably gonna pick some of those up and just see what else they got. But pretty well checked everything that I normally check out, so it might be ready just to take off. All right, so we got to get out of here. They actually just came on the overhead PA system and they said, due to short staffing, we're closing now. So come up here and buy your stuff and get out of the store. That actually just happened. So we're gonna pick up some of these dog foods and then head out. All right, so that was weird. They just closed because they didn't have anybody staffed. So these are the bags we got. Just some dog food, some hair products. Pretty good, really. We should double our money. Spent $93. Should make 100 off of that. And it took about, I'd say I was in there for about 25-30 minutes. And that's including the time it took for me to record. So there we go. That's it. Go check out your Dollar Trees. Don't sleep on them. You can make money doing it, especially if you're on a low budget. If you like videos like this and you like sourcing and you like making money, go ahead and drop me a follow and a like. Thank you. Be kind to everybody. Have an awesome day.